In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an email address in Canva. If you've ever designed a flyer, presentation, or social post in Canva and wanted people to email you with one click, this is exactly what you need. We'll keep it simple and clear, and by the end you'll have a clickable email link that opens the viewer's default mail app with your address ready to go. Start by selecting the text in your Canva design that you want to turn into a link. Click once to enter the text box, then highlight the specific words you want clickable. You can drag your cursor across the text, or use a quick shortcut like Command+A on Mac or Control+A on Windows to select everything in that text box. Make sure the text is actively highlighted. This tells Canva exactly what to link. Next, look to the top toolbar for the link icon. It looks like a small chain link. It only appears when text is selected, so if you don't see it, click back into your text and highlight it again. Click the link icon to open the link field. This is where you'll tell Canva what should happen when someone clicks your text. In the link field, type your email in a mail to format to make it work reliably. For example, type mail to, followed by your email address without any spaces. Using the mail to prefix signals that the link should open an email compose window rather than a web page. If you want to go a step further, you can add a preset subject line by typing a question mark after your email, and then subject equals your subject text. For example, mail to.youremail@domain.com. Subject, hello. Keep it short and clear, and avoid special characters that might break the link. When you're done, press enter or click away to apply the link. You'll usually see a subtle underline or link style appear depending on your text formatting. A couple of quick tips to make this look and work better. Use clear, action-focused text like email us or contact support so people know exactly what will happen when they click. Consider using a contrasting color or underline so the link is obvious, especially on printed materials that might also be shared digitally. And remember that links are clickable in Canva's present mode and in digital exports like PDFs and some image formats. If you're printing, the link won't be clickable on paper, so pair it with a visible email address as backup. That's it. Highlight your text, click the link icon, and enter your mail to email. You've just created a professional, clickable email link right inside Canva.